Hello friends, I'm Raj. Today what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply clay bars on my car. Just now I washed my car with normal detergent, and then I'm going to apply these clay bars. So what is the purpose of this clay bar is, once you wash, you use this clay bar, it's like a small soap. You just scrub it on your car body. So it will give you the smooth finish, and then you wash it with wax, any wax you can buy, and then you do the waxing. So first wash your car with the detergent, dry, and then use the clay bars. When you use the clay bar, you have to spray this one detailer, any brand detailer. You just spray on the car, and then you just apply on the body, then dry again. Once it's dried, then you wash with this one. So when you apply this one wax, don't apply too hard. So that's the procedure I'm going to do this one. Okay, you must be wondering why I'm doing this one, instead of just doing the detergent wash and then I can do this one straight. The reason why I'm doing that one is I'm going to apply bush wrap around my car body. The reason is, when I go off-road, I'm getting a lot of scratches. To avoid that scratches getting on my car, I'm going to do this pre-step. That's a requirement for before you apply bush wraps. That's what we are going to see now. Car is ready, just washed it and dried. It's clean now. Okay, just normal detergent, I washed it. Okay, there are two tips you have to remember when you apply this one. Make sure that car is in the shade, not under the direct sunlight. Must be under the shade, and it's not a hot, like not at the noon or when it is sunny. So do it in the around the early morning or late evening is the best time. Okay, the clay bar is like this one. So you take it from the pack, and then you can stretch it like this one to the size of your fingers. It's easy. So you're going to apply on the car like this. So when you apply, use this one. It's a detailer by any brand, and then you apply. You have to do this one as a part by part. You can't do at a stretch. So do at one area, squeeze it, and then scrub it. So the purpose of scrubbing is it will take all the minute dust and the particles that will stick to this clay, and then you can fold and then reuse like this. So fold and reuse, and then stretch it again and then reuse. So keep doing like that one until it gets fully dirty. Make sure you don't drop it. Once you drop it, it goes into the bin. You can't reuse. So when you do, what do you do? When you do this task, make sure you have few extra with you, in case if you drop it, you don't need to stop the process. You can finish your task. That's very important. I'm going to show you now the first thing, how to use it now. Okay, I'm going to spray like this, and then you scrub it. So this is how you do the whole part. See, just a small section I didn't do much. Can you see how much dust and the small particles is making the scratches? Can you see? So it's a great benefit. So I'm going to do the whole car now. So you look at the car now, the scratches. So once I clean, and after doing the wax, how it's going to look, I will show you. You can see the difference. So can you see the marks? So once you applied, what do you do? Use the microfiber cloth to wipe it. This is the reason we wash our car first with the detergent, because we are not trying to remove the dust first. We have to clean the car first, and then you apply the clay, and then you wipe it with the cloth. When you do scrubbing, it gets stuck sometimes. What does that mean is, see, it's getting stuck, it's not moving. That means you need to apply more liquid, the lubricator, so it's easier then. So the next step is the water, sponge, and I'm going to add the wash and wax. I'm going to wash my car with this one, with the sponge, and then I'm going to rinse and dry with the cloth. So that's the final step now. This is wax and wash. I'm going to rinse once I do finish this process. Now the final step, I applied the wax and wash and wax. Now it's a rinse time. Once it's rinsed, just wipe it with a cloth.